Hi, this is John with WTI. And for me, it's really important to have a all-around fragrance that I can use in many occasions like this one, this Stallion 53. What I like a lot about this fragrance is how versatile it is. This is a floral and heavily woody fragrance that is going to be there once you spray it on. You have this sensation that you have this woodiness that is going to stay in there in all of the different notes that is in this fragrance. I've had already people that has told me, okay, this was a real good fragrance. Like they really enjoy it. And in the weather that I live, that is a bit like constantly changing the temperature. Sometimes it could be a little bit cold, but most of the times it's really hot and humid. This is an all-around fragrance. So if you're just trying to get a fragrance for all different occasions, woody, that it's in this case is even unisex. Most of them can use it, long lasting, and that is gonna be a compliment getter. This is actually a great option. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.